name is Sara Halliday and I work for Klockner Metals UK as Sustainability and ESG Manager. Klockner is one of the largest mill-independent multi-metal stockholder and distributors in the UK. At Klockner, we are passionate about our part in building a sustainable future and minimising the impact on our planet. I'm excited to be on such a prestigious listing. Previous years have been full of people from really iconic manufacturing businesses. It's a real honour to be amongst them. I really look forward to meeting my other alumni and learning from them. I'd like to think I'm a go-getter. I see a potential problem and I like to get into the detail of what's happening, speak to the people involved in the process and see what I can do to help affect positive change. I've steadily become really passionate about sustainability and it seeps into everything I look at in my career. I try to share my experiences with others and I really believe that we all have a part to play in reaching net zero. I think there's always opportunity to learn from others. Everyone is trying to make their way through all of the recent challenges in business and also trying to future-proof themselves for a different world. Manufacturing can offer such a diversity of skills that there's a natural overlap into a lot of other sectors. Innovation is at the heart of everything we do at Klockner, from digital solutions to the machines we invest in. Klockner has invested in relocating London facilities to Thurrock, which has developed into a new state-of-the-art facility focused on sustainable processing. This includes new state-of-the-art machinery and a focus on energy reduction across the site. I would tell younger people and anyone considering a career in manufacturing to get out there and see it for themselves. If there is an industry you're interested in, manufacturing is sure to be part of it. Ask for a tour around the facilities and speak to people who already work there. There's so many roles and skills required to work in manufacturing. The possibilities are endless.